Yes, 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 yes. Faster, come on. And they have reached the finishing line. Congratulations to the winners and the participants, of course. Rahil Khan. Yes, run, run faster. Come on, boys, come on. Cheer up for them. Come on. Run, 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 run. And reach the finishing line. And they have reached the finishing line. Congratulations to the winners and the participants. Ayat Fatima, Mahira Sheikh, Devbhuti Pandey, Mahima Singh, Satya Sinha, Avida Yadav, Ashwika Dubey, Ishani Shrivastava, Advika Singh, and to the girls. And now we have boys ready for the sack race, and the participants are Advik Singh, Agram Trivedi, Daksh Pratap, Hardik, Mohammad Aris, Syed Amanullah Kazmi, Sarthak Singh, Manav Verma, Aviral Bharti, and Mohammad Azban Yasra. They are all set to hop, crossing all the hurdles. Yes, faster, hop, hop to win. Faster, faster, faster. And we have got the winners. Congratulations to the participants and of course the winners. Faster, faster, come on, run. Run, 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 run. Come on. Yes, 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 faster, faster. And they have reached the finishing line. Congratulations to the winners and the participants. Paras, Jayesh Joshi, Astatva Verma, and Tejas Pandey. They are all set, waiting for the whistle to blow. And they have started. Faster, faster. You have to run and win. Faster. Yes, come on, faster. Faster, faster, faster. And they have reached the finishing line. Congratulations to the winners and the participants. Kept on the field. We have cabbage, brinjal, and they have all started. They are collecting the cabbage and the brinjals, the carrots and the radish and the tomatoes. Faster, collect them all. Don't give up, keep shopping. Faster, faster, girls. Faster, come on, cheer for them, everyone. Give them a huge round of applause. Everyone, cheer up. Faster. They have collected the vegetables. They are putting it in their bags. Faster, come on, hurry up. Tying it on their waist and started hopping. Now they are hopping to reach the destination, the finishing line. Come on, faster, hop. And they have reached the finishing line. Some are still hopping. We have got the winners. Congratulations to all the participants and the winners. We have seen girls shopping. Now let's see how boys are going to shop. They are all set. Yes, and they have started. Come on, shop more. Cheer up for them, everyone. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Collect all the vegetables. cheer up. Faster, faster. Collect it in your baskets. Faster. Now put it in your bags. Yes, put it in your bags. Tie it on your waist. Hurry up, hurry up. And they are hopping towards the finishing line. Hop, hop, come on. Faster, faster, come on. Yes, hop. And we have got the winners. Some are trying hard to reach the finishing line. Congratulations to all the participants. Started. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Ready to pass the baton? The teammates are waiting for the baton to be passed. Yes, come on, faster, faster. And pass the baton. Come on, everyone, cheer up for them. Yes, faster, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Faster, faster, girls. Everyone, cheer for them. Cheer for them. And we have got the winners. And they have started. Come on, faster. Run, run, run. And pass the baton to the teammates. Faster. Boys, come on. Everyone cheer up for them. Faster, faster. And run, run, run. Run to win. Faster, come on. Everyone. And the baton has been passed, reaching the finishing line, and we have got the winners. Congratulations to the participants. Agrima Singh, Maria Fatima, Anusha Khan, Asma Fatima, Aradhya Srivastava, Anika, Kavya Singh, Ananya Gupta, and Ishita Singh. They have all started hopping. And now they have started to skip and reach the, yes, they have reached the finishing line. We have got the winners. Congratulations. They are all set. And they have started to hop. Yes, and now they'll skip to the finishing line. And they have reached the finishing line. We have got the winners.